In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments in Notion. If you are working on a page where feedback is finished, or you just want a cleaner, distraction-free space, turning off comments is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Notion and head to the specific page where you want comments disabled. Make sure you are on the correct page in the right workspace, and that you have permission to edit the page. If you can edit content on the page, you should be able to manage discussions as well. Now, look to the top right corner of the page for the three-dot menu icon. It's a small icon with 3 horizontal dots that opens additional page options. Click that to open the menu. This is where Notion keeps a lot of page level controls, so it's the quickest path to the settings you need. From the menu, select Customize Page. This opens a panel with visual and functional settings specific to the page you are on. If your Notion interface looks slightly different, don't worry, just look for the option labeled Customize Page, or a similar wording that controls page settings. Inside the Customize panel, find the section labeled Page Discussions next to it. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and choose either Off or Hide, depending on what you want. If you select Hide, the discussion thread won't appear on the page, keeping your workspace tidy. But existing discussions remain preserved in the background so you can bring them back later. If you select Off, you are turning page discussions off for that page, which prevents new comments and removes the discussion panel from view. Choose the option that matches your goal. Hide if you want to keep things out of sight for now, or Off if you are done with comments on this page. Once you've made your selection, Notion saves the change automatically. You can close the Customize panel and continue working. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and switch the setting back to On to bring discussions back. Or change from Hide to Off if you want a stricter lock on comments. That's all there is to it. By navigating to your page, opening the three-dot menu, choosing Customize Page, and setting page discussions to Off or Hide, you can keep your Notion pages as focused as you need them to be. Thanks for watching.